Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. With the start of the new financial year today, several major reforms have come into effect across India. The over 6-decade-old Income Tax Act has been replaced by the new Income Tax Act 2025, which aims to simplify the tax system by removing outdated provisions, streamlining complex rules, and making compliance more straightforward for taxpayers. From today, all the digital payment transactions in the country are required to follow two-factor authentication norms as directed by the Reserve Bank of India. And this measure is part of stricter rules introduced in order to reduce fraud and strengthen accountability in the financial system. Under the new framework, one-time passwords or OTPs will no longer suffice for digital payments. Every transaction via UPI, cards or mobile wallets must now be verified using at least two independent factors. OTPs will continue to serve as one component of verification, but must be combined with another method such as a PIN, password, biometric authentication or secure token. While this makes the process slightly longer, it significantly enhances the security of payments, addressing growing concern about phishing and SIM, that is SIM swap scams. In order to balance security with convenience, banks will adopt a risk-based approach. Low-risk transactions from trusted devices or routine small payments may remain seamless, while high-risk transactions such as large payments or those made from new devices will trigger additional verification steps. Alongside this, the RBI has tightened accountability norms, making banks and payment platforms more responsible for maintaining secure system. Institutions may be required to compensate users in cases of fraud arising from system failures, ensuring faster grievance resolution. Notably, the National Payments Corporation of India has introduced operational limits for UPI in order to enhance efficiency. Users can check account balances up to 50 times per day per app, link a maximum of 25 bank accounts per day on a single UPI app, and check the status of pending transactions only 3 times with a 90-second gap between each attempt. Recurring payments such as EMIs and subscription will now be processed during non-peak hours before 10 a.m. or after 9:30 p.m. Other banking and financial changes have also been introduced, and UPI-based cardless withdrawals at ATMs, such as those by HDFC Bank, will count towards the monthly free transaction limit, after which a fee of ₹23 plus taxes applies. RuPay Platinum debit cardholders will no longer have access to airport or train lounges. The two-factor authentication rules will also apply to international payments, with full implementation required by October 1, 2026. Indian Railways has also revised its ticket cancellation rules, reducing the refund window, and passengers cancelling tickets within 8 hours of departure will no longer receive any refund, compared to the previous 4-hour cutoff. Tickets cancelled between 8 and 24 hours before departure will incur a 50% penalty, between 24 and 72 hours, that is a 25% penalty, and cancellations made more than 72 hours in advance will receive the maximum refund with a flat deduction. Waitlist and RAC ticket rules remain unchanged, allowing cancellations up to 30 minutes before departure. And the National Highways Authority of India has also increased the FASTag annual pass fee from ₹3,000 to ₹3,075 for the financial year 2026-2027. New rules for PAN card applications also came into effect today, requiring applicants to provide proof of birth such as a birth certificate or passport, in addition to Aadhaar. Names on PAN cards must match Aadhaar details, and new category-specific forms 93 to 96 are now mandatory. Well, all these reforms mark a significant shift in India's financial, digital payment and banking landscape, emphasizing stronger security, streamlined compliance and enhanced accountability across systems, ensuring a safer and more efficient environment for all the taxpayers and users of digital financial services. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.